Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the ViewSonic VA1655 monitor. What's really cool is it only weighs, I think, something like 1.5 pounds. It's very lightweight. It has a little kickstand to be able to set up the monitor if you want to put it on a desk. And it's basically, it says here 14.1 inches by 8.9 inches by 0.7 inches thick. So it's very lightweight, very small dimension wise. This is a 16-inch monitor and it is in full HD 1080p. The monitor comes with two cables. It comes with a HDMI to a mini HDMI port because the monitor itself has a mini HDMI port for input. And it also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, and that allows you to plug it into power. It does not come with a power adapter, so you'd have to have your own power adapter. And it also comes with a handy carrying case because this is portable. So they give you a beautiful case that you can use. And that's pretty much it as far as what comes in the box. In this system, there's one port on the top of the picture here that shows you the USB-C. That's where we plugged in our power. Underneath it is another USB-C port where you can actually plug it into your laptop. So you can actually hook your laptop through USB-C right to the monitor. And then they have a mini HDMI port so you can plug into the mini HDMI port. It also has a headphone jack, and it also has a Kensington lock port, so you can actually lock this down if you wanted to. It's really nice. The kickstand is kind of neat because you can kind of put it at almost any angle and just have it on your desk. Now, in our case, we plugged it into a stand. So let's take a look. So here it is. This is the monitor. You can see me taking the picture of it here, which is really kind of cool because it's like, watch this. I have it hooked up to a Blackmagic ATEM. And the reason we need it is if we're going live, we want to be able to see everything that's happening here. So for example, if I want to cut over to a different camera like the overhead camera, I can. So that's it. That's the ViewSonic monitor. Thank you.